Hello everybody. Today I'm out here at Rickwood Field in Birmingham, Alabama. Rickwood Field is the oldest professional baseball park in America. Opening day was August the 18th, 1910. It is currently still being used. There was a break-in service in the 80s and into the early 90s. It is managed by the Friends of Rickwood Field. It is owned by the city of Birmingham. And the Friends of Rickwood Field is a local non-profit group, as I stated before, that runs and maintains the park and does upgrades and restoration work as well. We're going to be out here painting the infield fence today. We're replacing the chain link part, and so what we're going to do today is paint all the rails and posts and see if we can't get that looking better. Here's one of the plaques here at Rickwood, but it says, "Built by local industrialist A.H. Rick Woodward. This park opened on August 18th, 1910. It is the oldest surviving baseball park in America. Rickwood served as the home park for both the Birmingham Barons until 1987 and the Birmingham Black Barons until 1963. It was also a favorite site for barnstorming major league teams. Many greats of the game thrilled crowds here, including Babe Ruth, Jackie Robinson, Ty Cobb, I cannot say that first, I think it's Burley Grimes, Ted Williams, Stan Musial, Walt Dropo, and Reggie Jackson. Black Barons sensation Satchel Paige battled Josh Gibson, Cool Papa Bell, and other legends of the Negro Leagues. And a 16-year-old rookie from Birmingham named Willie Mays led the Black Barons to their 1948 Negro American League Championship here. Some pretty awesome history here at Rickwood Field. It truly is amazing how many great baseball players have come through here, and really excited to show you some of what we're doing today. And I apologize if my camera is not the steadiest. I'm not very good at this. Maybe I'll get better as time goes on. And I'm sure my narration probably isn't that great as well. But it's really more about the park than me, so hope you can just put up dealing with me. Last year we replaced the roof, or had the roof replaced on this building right here. It used to be a restaurant in the 40s and 50s, and was actually the only place that served alcohol on Sundays in the city of Birmingham back then. But we replaced the roof on that last year because that is now our conference room for board members, and also when we have the Rickwood Classic, that is when we have a special guest come in and they sign autographs and things like that. And so we use that room for events and everything. This is just another plaque. Not real sure how well it's coming through. It says a lot of the same things. I'll give you part of it. It says, recognized as America's oldest baseball park, Rickwood Field is now home to Birmingham's high school teams as well as men's amateur teams in numerous tournaments. Springtime in Birmingham features the Birmingham Barons Vintage Rickwood Classic game each year between the Barons and a Southern League opponent, which that'll change now because the Southern League doesn't exist anymore, with the Major League Baseball taking over minor league baseball. The Friends of Rickwood organization has responsibility for the preservation, restoration, and revitalization of this living museum of Southern baseball. From Willie Mays to Ty Cobb to Babe Ruth to Dizzy Dean to Walt Dropo and Reggie Jackson, Rickwood Field has experienced baseball at its finest for more than 100 years. is, folks. You see all the old advertising signs. Well, I hope you can. I'm not sure how the GoPro's doing, but all the old advertising signs along the fence, those have to be done period correct. This is part of what we're painting today. I'm not sure what you can see here, but this is part of the infield fence that we're going to be trying to paint today. So we got 1, 2 sections, 3, 4, and then 5 completely done before I had to leave. It might, when I say completely done, they might need to be touched up a little bit on the bottom. Then we got all this primed. Still got all that to do. But the third base side is primed. You can see the red railing. That's the primer. There's Lee working hard.